Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing the Aula Hero68 HE, a compact keyboard packed with some seriously cool features. Let's dive in. First, a quick look at the box. Clean and minimal, nothing too flashy. Here's the keyboard itself, wrapped in a plastic cover. Super handy, because let's be real, keyboards are dust magnets. Underneath, we have got the basics. A quick start guide, a user manual, a side strap with screws, a switch puller, a couple of spare switches, and this unique L-shaped USB-C cable for neat cable management. Alright, let's unwrap this beast. Look at that! Easily one of the cleanest looking keyboards out there. The metal side panels look and feel premium, plus you get a backlight strip for extra flair. And of course, there's sparky RGB, fully customizable through Aula's WebDriver. I'll show you that in a bit. Now let's talk specs, because this thing is stacked. It's ultra responsive with 8000 polling rate, 128,000 scan rate, and just 0.125 milliseconds latency. It runs on magnetic Hall effect switches, factory looped and hot swappable, and you can even fine-tune the actuation travel. All of this is packed into a 65% ABS frame with a metal plate inside and 5 layers of sound dampening for a smoother, more refined typing sound. Okay, that's enough talk. Let's hear how it actually sounds. That's pretty nice, right? Now let's take a quick look at the software side. Just head over to hero.aulastart.com, and from there you can tweak actuation points, lighting effects, macros, and more. So yeah, for the price, this keyboard is an absolute steal. If you enjoyed this unboxing, drop a like, and if you want more keyboard reviews and sound tests, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.